Now for our fade, just be the opposite of the draw. First, we'll go into a neutral setup. Then here, we'll go ahead and open our stance so it's pointing left of our target. When we swing back, same takeaway. On the way down, same thing on the way down. At impact, we're going to feel like that laser is actually going down the line underneath. So we have the two lines on the way through, the top line and the bottom line. It's actually going to be the bottom line that we're going to feel like we're going down on the way through. Then on the way down here, the laser actually might be a little bit above this inside line. So let's go ahead and set up. So we'll be neutral. We'll open up our stance. This opening of the stance is going to promote more of a out to in path. So on the way through, we're just focusing on getting to this bottom line. So our takeaway is going to be the same, and our downswing might actually be a little bit over that bottom line there. So the goal of our fade is to start left of our target, so our face angle is going to be a little bit closed, and our path is going to be left of that, so it's going to fade back. So the difference in the angles is what makes it fade back. So that's the face of the path. That's going to be a little bit open to that. Since we have the right to left wind, it ended up being a little bit further left than what I wanted, but it will fade back. All right, so here we go with a fade, and here we have the stance open. So now we're more open. The open promotes that out to in path. And when we look here, we can see that the out to in path, now we have negative 3.9. So negative means left. So TrackMan's showing us that I had a negative 3.9 path left because I was open. And then since we're open, the face opens up. So an out in path promotes left path, open face. So as you can tell, my face was a little too open here. So I kind of just held it off. So my face angle was +2, which means my ball's going to end up to the right of the target. And we can see my ball ended up 9.7 feet right. So now next time if I were to hit it, and I had my face angle 0, it would be more on top of the line, closer to the line. So the goal with that fade would be to start it left and have it come back to the right, but not further to the right of the flag. So I kind of failed there, and I overcooked it and went a little bit to the right. But when you're working on it, that's what we want to try to work on. We want to try to work on starting it left and having it come back to the flag, but not past the flag. You know, I'm more of a drawer of the ball, so I do need to work on these fades. Now let's take a look.